Right, because why would there be guidelines on a product that children...
Hi. Nag As you can see, it's extremely small and lightweight, which makes it really easy convenient for daily use. Even though it's tiny, it's designed to capture smooth video and stable footage, which is why a lot of vloggers like using this type of camera for POV shots, travel videos, and everyday content. This accessory right here is a vision dock. This basically works as a screen and the control module for the camera. When the camera is attached here, you can preview your shots, adjust settings, and control your recordings much more easily compared to using the camera alone. Next, we have the mount adapter, which is actually one of the most useful accessories included in the combo. This mount allows you to attach the camera to different holders like tripods, camera mounts, or even some phone mounts. One interesting feature about this mount is that the bottom part can actually be removed, and once you remove it, it becomes compatible with other mounting systems, which makes it a lot more flexible depending on how you want to use your camera. So if you already have other camera holders or accessories, there's a good chance you'll still be able to use them with this mount. This one is the cap mount. Normally, this clips onto the brim of a cup so you can capture a first person or a POV perspective while recording. Another accessory included in the standard combo is the magnetic necklace. This is designed for hands-free recording. You basically wear it around your neck and then attach the camera magnetically to the front. Connecting the camera to the vision dock is really simple. All you have to do is pinch the sides like this and slide the camera into the place. And once it's connected, you can also flip the camera around depending on how you want to record just by doing the same thing like earlier. As you can see here, I'm now attaching both the camera and the vision dock onto the mounting adapter. But if you want something more lightweight and minimal, you can actually mount just the camera itself without the vision dock. Now, let's try using the magnetic necklace. First, you wear the necklace around your neck and the magnet sits underneath your shirt, and you're gonna magnet the camera itself onto the magnet necklace in whatever position or angle you may like. cap mount works by pinching the sides of it as well. Normally, you would clip this onto the brim of a cup, but if you want to be creative and you can think of many ways on how to utilize this, go for it. I also added the protective case that came with the camera. And finally, this is the charging cable included in the box. It's a Type-C to Type-C cable, which means you can connect it to modern chargers or power banks. So that's everything included in the DJI Osmo Nano standard combo. For such a small camera, it actually comes with a lot of useful accessories that make it very flexible for different filming situations.